We are very excited to announce Private Marketplace for VS Code extensions at Microsoft Ignite event this year. It's the same great VS Code experience, automatic updates, seamless installs, but now with enterprise-grade control. You can curate your own catalog, upstream approved extensions from the public marketplace, and keep developers innovating while you enforce security, compliance, and governance. Bottom line, trust, control, speed without changing how your teams work. Let's dive in. I've already deployed my private marketplace to Azure, but you can use any container host like Kubernetes. On the landing page, we see the service endpoint, health info, and a list of three internal extensions, which are under the name Contoso, plus a couple of downloaded public extensions. My VS Code is already configured to point to the private marketplace. Quick note, using private marketplace requires a GitHub or Copilot Enterprise subscription. So, first I sign in with my GitHub account. VS Code confirms it's switching to private marketplace. Restart, and we're in. Search for internal extensions. The three Contoso extensions we saw in the private marketplace pop up. Install them, and now I can vibe code with the internal Copilot extension. Now, what about public extensions? We don't want to download them internally, but we want convenience. That's where upstreaming comes in. It's optional, and I've enabled it during deployment. Search for Copilot. Now we see combined results from internal and public sources. Install from either place, all in one great VS Code experience. Convenience is great, but security matters. Admins can enforce group policy, for example, only allow Microsoft extensions and a few trusted publishers. Even with upstreaming on, policy controls what gets installed. Search for Copilot again. Familiar results, but only approved extensions can be installed. Deployment options are open and flexible. Private Marketplace runs on Azure or any container host. Let's talk about publishing packages. New internal extensions and updates can be published to any file storage or an Azure Artifacts feed by pushing from your favorite CI/CD pipeline. Here are the key takeaways. With Private Marketplace, internal extensions are protected and organized. Developer speed is uncompromised even in internet-restricted environments. You can control if and what public extensions are installed. You have the ability to layer verification before making public extensions internally available. VS Code installs and updates internal extensions automatically, so it's the same great experience, now with enterprise trust. Ready to pilot Private Marketplace? Use the link on the screen to get started today. Questions? Reach out to this support link. Happy coding!